Hi everyone. Really quickly, I just wanted to show you how to easily copy and paste the skill into this column of today's reflection on your multiple choice set in AP Classroom. So in number 3, I'm asking you to record any questions that you may have missed on either one of the quizzes, the pre-quiz or the post-quiz. I'm also asking that you record the skill that is attached to that particular question. And then I'm also asking you to provide an explanation and or a reflection on that question as well. So I really quickly wanted to show you how to capture this skill in AP Classroom. So if you jump into AP Classroom, you're going to see that you over here, once you get into your assignment, that you either have a green check mark that you got the question correct, or you might see a red X that you got the question incorrect. So just for the sake of showing you, you can either click here to see the skill, even before clicking into any questions that you might have missed. And if you just drag your cursor over that and do a Control C and then a Control V into your document, you can capture it that way. Or when you click into the assignment itself, you should be able to see the skill associated with the question up here as well. Yours might look a little bit different than mine, but you should also still be able to click on that, and this box will pop up again, and then you can also copy and paste from there back into the Word document that I'm asking you to complete for today, and you can copy and paste that entire skill. So just like that. Hope this is helpful for you so that you're not having to retype those skills along the way. Thanks everyone. As always, please text or email me if you need anything at all today.